Hi everyone, hope having a great day.
Alkrington Wood Nature Reserve. It is one of the best hidden nature reserve in the northwest. Lovely place for children to run around in, and the dinosaur hunt has been a huge success during the summer holidays for parents and children alike. The lake is well populated with swans, geese, kurds, ducks and kingfishers, and woodlands are home to a wide variety of bird life. Fabulous place for a woodland walk with beautiful lake and river. It bit beaches sometimes, but I guess that's because it's such a nice place. Absolutely brilliant place to go for a walk with lovely scenery and views. Great meadow and hill to sit in and look out over woodland and up towards the hills of Ramsbottom. This picturesque local nature reserve offers over 140 acres of mature woodland, meadows, rivers and several fishing lodges with scenic views and plenty of bird life. The river runs alongside the reserve up to the fishing lodge at Perth. Some paths are inaccessible with a wheelchair because of exposed roots and brick ends, particularly south bank of Perch Pound. Great historical building, Alkrington Hall, is an early 18th century and is listed private residence. This place is very well maintained and very clean. Here are 3 public footpaths to explore and miles of internal paths crisscrossing the very natural habitats. Everyone that we meet is so friendly, perfect to those wanting to be close to the nature. Definitely recommend it.